The DREAME D30 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers a premium cleaning experience that focuses on automation, power, and intelligent performance. From the moment it starts operating, it's clear that this device is designed to handle demanding cleaning tasks with minimal user intervention. The suction power is strong enough to pick up fine dust, debris, and pet hair across different floor types, while still maintaining consistent performance throughout the cleaning cycle. One of the most impressive aspects is its all-in-one cleaning capability. Vacuuming and mopping are seamlessly integrated, allowing the device to transition between dry and wet cleaning without any manual adjustments. The mopping system does a solid job of handling everyday dirt and light stains, leaving floors with a noticeably cleaner and fresher look. This combination makes it ideal for maintaining cleanliness on a daily basis, rather than relying on occasional deep cleans. Navigation and mapping are highly advanced, giving the robot the ability to scan and understand its environment with precision. It avoids obstacles efficiently and creates an optimized cleaning path, which reduces wasted time and ensures thorough coverage. The smart mapping system allows customization of cleaning zones, so specific rooms or areas can be targeted depending on your needs. This level of control adds a practical advantage for larger homes or spaces with different cleaning requirements. The self-maintenance features elevate the overall convenience. With an automatic docking system, the robot can return to its base station for charging and other maintenance tasks. Depending on the setup, this may include dust collection and mop care, significantly reducing the need for frequent manual cleaning. This makes the device feel more like a fully automated cleaning assistant rather than just a vacuum. Battery life is reliable, supporting extended cleaning sessions without interruption. When power runs low, it automatically recharges and resumes cleaning, ensuring that no area is left unfinished. The noise level remains relatively balanced considering the power output, making it suitable for use even when you're at home. Smart controls through a mobile app allow easy scheduling, customization, and monitoring. The interface is intuitive, making it simple to adjust settings like suction strength or cleaning modes. Voice assistant compatibility further enhances usability, adding another layer of convenience for hands-free control. Overall, the DREAME D30 Ultra stands out as a high-end solution that combines strong performance with intelligent automation. It's built for users who want a powerful, low-maintenance cleaning system that can handle both everyday messes and more demanding tasks with ease.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.